So at this very moment we have a contact us page with a bit of text right here, but we don't have a contact form, and that's what we're going to do now. So we are going to install a new plugin. So we go to plugins and add new. Here we are going to look for WP forms, and we will see it as the first result right here. It's the one with the bear logo, WP forms. We click on install now, and it's installed, and we click on activate. Nah, that's cool. You get an overview of WP forms. That's nice. So we click in the menu on WP forms, and we're gonna click on add new. And for this purpose we only need a simple contact form. So we can click right here and click on create a simple contact form. So now we have this contact form right here, and what I personally like to do, instead of the submit button, I would like to change it to send message. To me that's more personal, so I think a lot of people would agree with me than just having a submit button right there. So you can see that it has changed. This is okay, so you have your first name, last name, email address, and someone can type in a message right here and then click on send message. There's another thing I would like to show you, because in general, let's see right here. Yes, it means yeah, you have to check on notifications, and then here send to email address. This is a shortcode that says admin email. Now if you have put in the email like info or customer service for your domain name, like customer service at cuddlybear.com, that's okay. But if you didn't, you would want to change, you would like to change this value. We can do it right now. If you we can do it right now actually. So our customer care at cuddlybear.com. Alright, and we click on save. And the form is saved, and you can click on this X right here. And it will be this one which we created. I'm going to delete this one because it's confusing for me. And this is the form we just created, and what you can do is you can select the shortcode here, then click on copy. Then we go to pages, all pages, and we're gonna click on we're going to click contact us, but we can also click here on edit with Elementor, so it will open up Elementor right away, and we can make a new section right here. Over here we take text editor and drag it to this. Now you would want to change this to the tab text. Then you select this text, delete it, and you paste the shortcode right there. Now you can click somewhere outside of this box. You can click on update. Now see, you can already see the form coming up right here. That's very nice. Then click exit to dashboard, and we're going to reload this page, and you can see right away the form is displaying on this page, and we successfully created a contact us page with a form that people can fill in and send it to you if they have a message or a question to you.